Hello everyone, this is Group Cambodia, and we're going to be talking about the physics of basketball. We're going to be doing this in a Draw My Life representation. It all started in Springfield, Massachusetts. There was a college class of students that had barely finished their football season, and they were expected to continue exercising, but they didn't know what to do. James Naismith had barely graduated to become a physical education teacher and went to the Springfield College YMCA. While he was there, he noticed these bored men needed a new game to play that would give them the ability to keep fit. Naismith got permission from the school board to instruct the team of men. He created a game called basketball. With 13 easy rules, it was deliberate, original, and an invention that created a necessity to provide a challenging, vigorous activity that could be played indoors. Samantha Gutierrez here, and I'm here with renowned basketball coach Chloe Stretz and all-star player Danny Olvera. I was going to interview with LeBron James, but he wasn't here today. So let's go talk to them. How are you doing, Ms. Stretz?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
How about you, Mr. Olvera?
I'm doing great.
So, can you tell us, what are the basic rules of basketball?
Basics about basketball are you want to try to get the ball to the other side of the court and into the enemy's hoop. And of course, the enemies will be defending and guarding you from shooting into their hoop. So they're going to try and take the ball from you, defend, put defense up, and get the ball, score on your hoop.
Interesting. So, what passes do you think are most successful?
Most of the time, you would bounce pass, but a lot of people chest pass to make quicker passes and more direct to a teammate.
Thank you so much. Ms. Stretz, can you tell us about some of the physics of sport?
Oh yes, I love physics. One of the main physics that has to do with basketball is acceleration. So like ball passes, for example, as a ball is heading back towards a player's hand, it gains potential energy, and when your hand adds an additional downward force, it creates kinetic energy.
Wow, thank you so much for talking to us today.
Now we're going to be talking about how Newton's laws of motion apply to basketball and the three main principles of physics in basketball. The first one is inertia, the second one is acceleration, and the third one is action and reaction time. Inertia applies to basketball when you throw the ball. Acceleration applies when you dribble the ball, it gives off kinetic and potential energy. And action and reaction time applies to the players running and walking up and down the court when the floor applies force to the player's foot and then gives them speed.
So let's do a physics problem. What if you wanted to throw the ball upward? How much force would you need to surpass the force of gravity? The equation for the force of gravity is mass times gravity. Gravity on the surface of the Earth is 9.81 meters per second squared. The mass of the basketball is about 0.5 kilograms. Using the equation, we find that the force of gravity on the basketball is 4.9 newtons. In order to throw the ball against gravity, the force you apply on the ball must be greater than the force of gravity, which, in this case, is 4.9 newtons. And there you go. That is the physics of basketball.